And in our top business story, the Dubai Islamic Economy Development Centre has announced the opening of submissions for the third edition of the Islamic Economy Award that will be presented in the fourth quarter of the year. Submissions for all 8 categories will close on the 31st of July. The Islamic Economy Award is an initiative that looks to recognise innovative, world-class business concepts that are Sharia compliant and contribute to the social and economic welfare of the community. Mohammed Al Gagawi, the chairman of the Executive Office of His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum and chairman of the Dubai Islamic Economy Development Centre, said that this year's award acquires special significance due to an increasing interest in Islamic economy sectors on a global level and the progress that Dubai has achieved to date. He added that the third edition will allow individuals and organisations to highlight key achievements and innovation that support the goals of the Islamic economy. The Islamic Economy Award 2015 will recognise global and regional leadership within the following 8 categories: Islamic finance, food and health, hospitality, Waqf and endowments, SME development, Islamic economy, knowledge, infrastructure and Islamic arts. In addition, a Lifetime Achievement Award will recognise an outstanding business leader. Nakheel's Khail Avenue shopping, dining and leisure destination at Dubai's Jumeirah Village will feature some of the biggest names in retail, following a new deal with the Landmark Group. The group will operate over 25 of the UAE's favourite fashion, electronics, homeware, food and beverage and entertainment brands at Khail Avenue, which is being built alongside Dubai's Al Khail Road on the eastern edge of the Jumeirah Village Triangle. Landmark's outlets will occupy over 220,000 square foot at the mall, with a total of 1.2 million square foot of retail space. Khail Avenue will have 350 shops, a diverse range of cafes and restaurants, including alfresco dining, and a multi-storey car park. Construction will begin this year with an expected opening in 2018. According to a statement, Nakheel's retail project portfolio is set to become the biggest in the UAE, with 10 new large-scale developments and a growing collection of smaller-scale community retail centres on the way. Waha Capital has reported a net profit of 182.2 million dirhams for the first quarter of 2015. That's a 20.2% increase from the 151.6 million dirhams that was recorded a year earlier, with key portfolio companies and its capital markets division performing well. At Waha Capital's annual general meeting that was held in March this year, shareholders approved a cash dividend distribution of 0.30 dirham per share on eligible shares, which represents an increase of 140% from the previous year. According to a statement, Waha Capital, which manages direct principal investments as well as global securities portfolios, benefited from an increase in earnings per share at AerCap Holdings, following the New York-listed company's acquisition of International Lease Finance Corporation in mid-2014. Meanwhile, the capital markets division at Waha Capital expanded its business and produced healthy returns, outperforming its respective benchmarks from its inception. Hussein Jassim Al Nawais, the chairman of Waha Capital, added that they will look to invest up to 4 billion dirhams in sectors with high growth potential, such as energy, infrastructure, healthcare and education over the next 5 years. Waha Capital's assets now stand at 9.6 billion dirhams. There is a lack of data regarding women and IT in the Arab world, and according to experts, training more women in IT has the potential to improve development in the MENA region, which is below the world average in the growth of IT infrastructure. The findings came at the 3rd edition of the annual Women in Computing in the Arab World Conference, which kicked off today at the New York University campus in Saadiyat Island over in Abu Dhabi. The 2-day conference aims to explore research findings on representations, opportunities, and diverse challenges facing women in computing in the Arab world. It also features talks and workshops by prominent women in computer science, based regionally and internationally, focusing on research and innovation in computing, women enrollment in computer science, entrepreneurship, the role of women in tech startups, the gender gap, positive trends, and difficulties in the field.
You know, technology is such an important field now because millions of the jobs that will be created in the future will be related to technology. And if women are not going to take part of this, that means that they're not going to be part of the decision making. They're not going to be earning jobs. They're not going to be part of the innovation, solving questions related to sustainability. As you know, men and women have different priorities, and so it's important that women are active to solve societal issues related to their interest and using technology. Even if there is government data, they don't share it, and even if they do share it, you'll see that there isn't the numbers about specific fields. They basically, it's aggregated and they put like, you know, engineering and they'll say, and computer science and math and science and engineering, they'll say construction and mechanical engineering. So you really don't know, it brings the numbers down. We're gonna launch a survey, a comprehensive survey throughout the Arab world, and we're gonna do qualitative research where we're gonna do in-depth interview. So we're not gonna speculate. I mean, we have maybe, you know, we formulate hypotheses, but we really don't know anything yet. And it's really, the scene is very complicated and it's different within even a country.